See her sleeping here, acting all gentle. Let's see if she will stand up if I bring inside the fish. I won't bring the fish, so I'll just take it to her plate directly. Let's see if she will stand up. See, here's the fish, guys. I'm taking it inside now. See what I saw at the door. Even before I came in, she's already at the door. Good. Cats do have a very, very high sense of smell. Now she's leading me to her plates so I can drop it in. Do you really want to eat this? I thought you already ate. You ate in the midnight, don't you? While I was sleeping. You were doing the do. Okay, here you go. I guess you still want me to split it for you. My hands are full right now. You have to help yourself. Oh gosh. I have to get my hands dirty. I have to split it for her so she'll be able to get her teeth on it. I guess it's enough like this, Mini. Yeah, you have to lick everything first. Okay, bye guys.